the beauty of lathe work, why so many people really love it, it's very kind of free. If I were cutting something on a table saw and set 2 inches to rip, you would cut 2 inches, I'd cut 2 inches, it'd be the same 2 inches.
Yeah.
But since you're holding the cutting tool, you can move it in such a way to change the shape. And what you want to do is look at how the cut is being made. If you're getting long strips like that, you're cutting well. If you're getting kind of dust, you have to change the angle.
Angle of this.
Right.
Okay.
And that's why it's good to do this on practice here. So you're gonna work this. And try to test. So you're going to probably not do it in the most ideal way right off the bat. If you are, I'd be impressed, and I'd show you tremendous respect.
No.
But what you want to do is not be afraid of it. It's only a small piece. It's going slow, right? There's almost nothing you can do that would be detrimental. But I want you to try to concentrate on keeping the bevel on the wood and just moving it this way, this way, this way, this way. But watch the bevel.